A pleasant afternoon, everybody. I have already started the recording, so allow teachers Jermaine and TIS to make a record of this afternoon session. Today is a Monday and it's already 4:59 in the afternoon. So we will be having a grammar class today. Um, Before teacher will continue, Enda, could you please tell me how's my voice, Enda?
Good teacher, it's clear.
It's clear. Because on my end, some of your videos are freezing. I am not opening my camera because my internet connection is very slow. I have run a speed test and it says that my connection is very low. But time to time, I will be opening my camera. Okay? I hope everyone feels good today. Are you ready for today's discussion?
I'm ready.
Thank you, Grace. Okay, I hope everybody, same with Grace, everyone is ready. Catherine, hello. Jennifer, Rachel, Katrina,
Ready, teacher.
hello. Is my voice okay, Catherine? Am I not lagging?
No, teacher. It's clear.
Uh, Clear, very good. Thank you. How about you, Jennifer? How's my voice?
Yes, miss.
Am I clear to you, Jennifer? Am I not lagging?
What, miss?
Uh, is my voice clear, Jennifer? Arga, is my voice clear, Arga?
Yes, miss.
Okay, good.
Yeah, your voice is here, teacher.
Thank you, Orlando. Thank you.
Miss.
So, hello. So, last meeting, we have a discussion about articles. Okay, we talk about two articles, right? We have the article a and the article an. Have you remember about those two articles? Can you still remember it, kids? Hello? Can you still hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
So last meeting, we ended with this activity, right? I gave you this one. You use a or an for the following. So we have here an apple, an oven, a book, an egg, a table. Okay. I'll be asking Orlando to read everything. Orlando, Orlando, hello. Okay. If not Orlando, can I have Greece?
Yes, miss.
Can you still can you still see my screen, Greece?
Yes, I can see, miss.
Okay, could you please read this one?
Okay, miss. A bag, a car, a man, a hat, a phone, a mug, a dog, a pet, a pen, a pen.
Pen. Very good. Okay, Greece, very good.
Oh, okay, miss. Thank you.
So we are using the article for
Hello, miss. Hello, miss.
Irene. Okay, Irene, I also want you to read. Mm. Erin?
Yes, miss.
Okay, I want you to read, Erin.
A
Oh, I'm
bag,
sure.
a bag, a car, a man, a hat, a fan, a mat, a dog, a pen.
What article did we use for the following words or nouns?
What, miss?
What article are we using? It's the article.
Ah,
Okay. Why are we using a or a? Why are we using a or a?
we using a or a for the word that starts with consonant letters.
Wow, that's very good, Erin. Very good. Claps for you. Very good. Good job.
Miss.
So we should use the article a if a certain word or a certain noun starts with, if it starts with a consonant. Okay, if it starts with a
Saya
consonant. Okay, that's
lapar.
good. Yes, good afternoon. Okay, next we will be okay, thank you, Erin. Can I have Tanya now? Tanya.
Yes, miss.
Okay, can I ask you, Tanya, to read?
An apple, an apple, an arrow, an egg, an
Envelope.
envelope,
Let's read again. Let's read again, Tanya, from the beginning. An apple.
an apple,
Next,
an arrow, an egg, an
envelope.
envelope,
Now, let's read again this word, Tanya. Envelope.
envelope.
Miss?
Hello, miss. Miss?
I think the miss left the Zoom. He has not have a connection.
Hello, miss. Miss? Hello, miss.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello,
Hello,
Miss.
Miss. Hello, Miss.
I'm very sorry. My connection is very slow. I hung up for a while and it took me maybe almost 5 minutes to join again. I'm very sorry, kids.
No problem, Miss.
Hopefully, hopefully my okay. Oh, you know what? I cannot see your faces. And if I can see faces, your faces are logging or it is freezing. So bad. Catherine, but how about this time? Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. I will not be opening my video, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Thank you. Okay. So, you just listen to me although you cannot see me, okay? Um, so just a short review. We have been talking about articles. We talk about the article a and the article an. So what is the difference between the two? So what is the difference between the two? We are going to use the article an if the given word or noun is starts with a vowel. Okay? If it starts with a vowel, we use an. While if it starts with a consonant sound, we use the article a. Okay? A for consonants. Before teacher will continue, I would like to thank Tanya for reading the words a while ago. Thank you, Tanya.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, so these are the examples of words a while ago. Okay, let's have this another example. Can I talk now to Rachel?
Yes, miss.
Okay, can I ask you to read the words, Rachel?
Okay, miss. And oven, and owl, and ice cream.
Okay, kids, owl, owl,
Owl,
owl.
owl,
Okay, and could you please read it again?
and of an oven, an owl,
Owl.
owl,
Continue.
and ice cream.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Rachel.
You're welcome, miss.
So for this one, the given words here, oven, owl, ice, and ice cream, starts with letter O and letter I. We're in. O and I are vowels, right? They are vowels. So we use the article an. So how many vowels do we have? How many vowels do we have?
5.
What are the five vowels?
A, E, I, O, U.
Okay, good. Thank you, Irene. Those are the
Yeah.
five vowels. How about Rachel? What are those? What are the five vowels?
Yes, miss. What, miss?
What are the five vowels, Rachel?
Um, A, E, I, O, U.
Okay. So A, E, I, O,
I,
and
O, U.
U. Very good. Okay. So we shall be moving now to another lesson. So we're done with articles. Hopefully by next time, if teacher will be asking you to give examples or if we talk about that one, hello.
Hello,
Miss.
Hello,
Hello,
Miss.
teacher.
Also, my connection is really unstable.
Yeah, you were
So
freezing back then.
yes, it's just this time that my connection is unstable. So sorry for that one. Hello.
Hello, teacher.
I'm back again.
Yeah, you're back again.
Yes, I'm back again. And my problem this afternoon is really my connection. And it saddens me. In the chat box, I have sent a picture. I've run a speed test a while ago, and it says that my connection is it's really slow. For the second time that I did a speed test, it wasn't, it doesn't run because there was a problem with my connection. But am I clear to everybody now? Am I clear now?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay, we're done with articles, kids, okay? Um, we shall be talking about a very interesting topic, or shall I say, a topic that is not new to some of you. Can you still recall about nouns? Can you still recall about nouns? What nouns are?
Naming sword.
Recall that one. Every time I share my screen, I log out, or my screen is really freezing. Erin, how about that? How about this? Jocelyn, can you see my screen?
What, Miss?
Can you see my screen now?
Oh yeah, I can see it.
Okay, I hope I can continue. Um, and can you see my screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. For some kids who are with me for the last semester, this PowerPoint presentation is not new to you because I have used it maybe several times already. Okay, but let us talk what nouns are. Okay. Mm, slideshow. Okay, so on my screen, what can you, Sundara, can I talk to you? Hello, Sundara. Good afternoon.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, can you see my screen, Sundara? What can you see? What can you see on my screen? You have? What can you see on my screen? You have?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Sundara. Okay, if not Sundara, can I talk to another kid? Catherine,
Yes, teacher.
okay, could you please tell everybody what is on my screen?
Two children.
Okay, children, you have there a girl and a boy. How about this one?
Man.
Come again?
An old man.
Okay, it's an old man. Or we can also say that he is a okay, grandfather. Okay, next one, Catherine.
Doctor.
Okay, this pictures tells us that these are all. Could you please read,
Persons.
Catherine? Okay, persons. So the first one, nouns are names of persons or people. Okay, nouns are names of persons or people. Aside from the given examples here, so we have mother, father, we have teacher. What else or who else? Erin, Tanya, Jocelyn, Jennifer are examples of names of persons.
A
Okay,
sister.
take note. Okay, you have sister and brother. Yes, vendor, driver. For boys, we have Orlando, we have Arga, we have Tristan. So those are examples of names. Okay, take note. First, nouns, it talks about the names of persons or people. Thank, thank you, Catherine.
Welcome, teacher.
Arga, this time, could you please tell us what are the kids doing, Arga?
The children playing, Miss.
Okay, the children are playing. Where are they playing, Arga? What do you think is the name of this place? It's a Yes, Arga. How do you call that place? It's a park, right, Arga?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, it's a park. How about the next one? What is this? It's a,
School.
come again.
School.
Very good. It's a school. Look at the next picture, Arga.
Mall.
It's a mall. So park, school, and mall are examples of
Place.
what's the given word? Arga, read
Place.
it again. It is with letter S. So how do you read that? It's
Places.
with letter. Oh, very good. Come again. Places.
Places.
Thank you, Arga.
You're welcome, Miss.
So nouns also are names of places. Again, nouns are names of places. So you can have there park, school, and mall. Again, park, school, and mall. These are examples of places. What else? We can have your house, your kitchen, your parts of the house. If you go to the library, if you go to a parlor, okay, those are examples of places. Example, another example, you can say, mm, um, if you have the word, they go to the mountain, they go to the river. Okay, those are examples of names of places. So a while ago, we have persons or people. Next, we have places. Let's move. Okay, what do you see on my screen? Jocelyn, what do you see on my screen?
An animals.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, Jocelyn, what can you see on my screen?
An animals.
Okay, and okay, you say animals. Okay, what animals do you have? Or what animals do we have here, Jocelyn? We have,
A monkey, a lion, a parrot, right? That's a parrot.
yes,
Uh, and then a giraffe, an elephant, a
elephant.
zebra, and a crocodile.
Okay. What are we go? Okay, and a crocodile. Very good. So Jocelyn was able to use the correct article also for the given names or oh yeah, for the given names of these animals. So Jocelyn said a monkey, a lion, but she said an elephant. Okay, that's good. Thank you, Jocelyn.
No problem, miss.
So next one here. When we talk about nouns, it talks about names of persons, places, and we talk about animals. Okay, we talk about animals. I'll try to open my video. I hope I won't lag. Okay, next. It's not moving. Oh, my screen is not moving again. Okay, next. I will be calling. Hey, how about Enda this time? Enda,
Yes, teacher.
on my screen, Enda, what can you see first?
A clock.
Next one.
A shoes.
Okay, it's a pair of shoes. Next.
Uh, there is a fork, plate, knife, and spoon.
Okay. So how about that one, Enda?
There is a basket.
Okay, it is a basket full of fruits, right?
Yes.
Okay, it's a basket full of fruits. What are this, Enda? What are this one? This picture shows.
Things.
Okay, you have there. These are things. Can you give me other examples of things, Enda?
A book, a pencil, a pen.
Okay, very good. Paper, a bag, a chalkboard, a notebook, okay, a cabinet, table. Oh, many examples of things. Okay, thank you, Enda.
You're welcome, teacher.
Okay, okay. Um, so we also talk about things if we talk about nouns. Okay, let's move to the next one. On my screen, you have, oh, that's a girl celebrating her. What do you think? Is the girl celebrating here?
Birthday.
Yes, celebrating birthday. How about the next picture, Catherine?
Celebrating New Year.
Celebrating New Year. So we have here, what's the given word?
Celebrations.
Okay, celebrations. So if we talk about celebrations, we talk about things, animals, places, and persons, we refer that one to nouns. Mm. Look on my screen, everybody. These are all nouns. Again, if we talk about persons or people, animals, places, things, and celebrations, these are all nouns. Catherine, how do we spell nouns?
N-O-U-N-S. Nouns.
Very good. Again, nouns are names. Names. Names of persons, places, animals, things, and celebration. Okay, nouns here are naming words. I have discussed that one to you. Nouns are naming words. So talking about persons, animals, things, places, and celebrations. Take note. But nouns can also be the days and the months. What are the days of the week? Or how many days do we have? We have,
7.
yes, we have 7 days. Catherine, can you give the 7 days in a week in English, Catherine?
Sunday. Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
And okay, and Saturday. Okay, very good. How do you say how do you say Sunday, Monday in your language, Catherine? And Bahasa language, how do you say it, Catherine?
Senin, Selasa, Rabu, Kamis, Jumat, Sabtu, Minggu.
Okay. Monday is what's Monday, Catherine? Malasa? How do you say that?
Monday is Senin, teacher.
Sunin?
Senin.
Ah,
S
Sunin.
S-E-N-I-N.
Oh, okay. Sumin. Senin, Catherine.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Am I back now? Can you hear me again?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Hello?
Hello,
Hello,
teacher.
teacher. Hello, teacher.
Hello?
Hello, teacher.
Hello, teacher.
Okay.
Hello, teacher.
I'm sorry. I was out again.
Sorry, but your voice.
Monday in Indonesian language is Senin.
Yes, teacher.
Hello, can you hear me again?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, Catherine, for sharing that one.
You're
Okay, so
welcome,
if you
teacher.
talk about, so if we talk about the days of the week, the 7 days of the week, those are those are examples of nouns because those are proper nouns. It talks about the days of the week. So we also have months. Okay. How many months do we have in a year? How many how many months do we have?
12.
Wow.
Yes.
Yes, we have 12 months. Is familiar with the 12 months of the year? Who among you here is familiar with the 12 months of the year? And
Yes.
okay, what are the 12 months in a year?
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Very good. I hope maybe Jocelyn also knew what are the 12 months of the year.
January, February, March, April. Wait.
May,
Wait. I'm loading. Wait. January, February, March, April, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Wait, am I forgetting one month?
May.
Oh yeah,
You
May.
missed May. You
I
missed
forgot.
May, but it's okay. Okay, thank you, Jocelyn and Enda.
No problem.
Welcome, teacher.
Okay, so if we talk also about the months of the year, those are nouns. Okay, we are also referring that one to nouns. Mm, am I am I sharing my screen now?
Yes,
Yes, teacher.
teacher.
Okay. We also have different body parts. From our eyes to nose to ears to our hair to our shoulder down to our legs to our knees to our toes. Those are examples of nouns also. Okay? If we talk about fruits and vegetables, the different fruits, different vegetables, its names, we are also referring or talking about nouns. Hmm. Maybe Abraham would like to give an example of a fruit, Abraham. Hi, Abraham.
Yes, miss.
Okay, can you give me three examples of fruits? Fruits.
Roots.
Like yes, like apple, mango. What fruits
Apple,
do you
mango,
know? Yes, what else? Do you like to eat bananas?
Yes.
Yes. How about avocado? Do you like to eat avocado? No, you don't
No.
want? Oh, you don't want avocado. What fruits do you want to eat? Yeah. What fruits do you want to eat, Abraham? Okay, what fruits do you
Orange,
allow?
apple, mango, grape.
Wow. Wow, you also like grapes. Thank you, Abraham.
You're welcome.
So we also have here vegetables from potatoes, eggplant, okra, string beans. We are referring that one to nouns. Look here. Teacher here has a picture. Mm, Abraham, 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 hello. Oh,
Yes.
okay. Let's name the pictures, Abraham. What's the first picture?
Hair, elephant,
Okay,
pencil, doctor, eye, turkey, father, ice cream,
daughter,
daughter, best friend, dress,
dress.
man,
Very good, Abraham. Now, can you give me an example of a name of an animal? Which, excuse me, which picture here or which noun here is an animal, Abraham? Which is an animal?
turkey,
Yes, we have turkey. We still have one, and what is it?
elephant,
Yes, we have elephant. Very good. How about if teacher will say chair and pencil? Chair and
hair and
pencil.
pencil, thing, pen, pencil, thing,
Abraham,
yes,
my
things,
I'm sorry, Abraham. My connection is unstable.
things,
Okay, chair and pencil are examples of things. Okay,
things.
thank you, Abraham. Yes,
You're
thank you,
welcome.
Abraham.
You're
Okay. Yes, thank you. Kids, I'm really sorry. My connection is really bad. Okay, let's move. Okay, how about Irene? Hi, Irene.
Hi, Miss.
Okay, how about you name or you give me the names of people or person in here? What are the different names of persons or people in this set of picture?
Doctor, father, daughter, best friend, and maybe man.
Yeah, man. You're correct. Man is also a name of a person. Very good. Thank you, Irene.
Yes.
How about if we have sentences now? Okay. Um, just this sentence, a very easy one. Abraham, I'll go back to you.
Yes, Miss.
Can you try to read the sentence, Abraham?
The cat is on the bed.
Wow, Abraham is now a good reader. Let's read it again, Abraham.
The cat is on the bed.
Okay, we have two nouns in here, Abraham. Two nouns. What are those? What do
Cat,
you think?
cat,
Yeah.
cat,
Yes.
and bat,
And
bat.
hey, very good. Cat is a name of an.
Name one.
Is it a
Cat
person?
animal.
A cat is it a person? Is it
Animal.
a thing? It's an animal. How about bed, Abraham? How about bed?
Thing.
It's a yes.
Thing.
Bed it's a thing. Thank you, Abraham. So let's move.
You're welcome, Miss.
Yes, doing good. Let's move now to the next sentence. I will be asking Jennifer to read. Hi, Jennifer.
Hi, Miss.
Okay, try to read my sentence, Jennifer.
Mother is in the kitchen.
Read it again.
Mother is in the kitchen.
Okay. There are two nouns in the sentence. What are those, Jennifer? Okay, you try to give me the nouns.
Mother and kitchen.
Yes, mother is a name of a.
Person. Person.
How about kitchen, Jennifer?
Things.
It's a thing. Okay, if it's only one, of course, the answer should also be singular. So we say thing. If there are many things, more than one, we say things. Okay, if it's one thing, many, we say things.
Thing.
Okay,
Things.
thing,
Thing.
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 Yeah, that's good, Jennifer. Thank you, Jennifer.
You're welcome, Miss.
So later on, teacher will also be refreshing you or will be discussing about singular and plural nouns. So if we say singular, that's only one. If it's plural, it's more than two or many. Let's move to the next sentence. Okay, we have a next sentence. I would like to talk to Orlando. Orlando. I hope Orlando is still with us.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello,
Miss.
Orlando. Yes. Could you please read a sentence?
Kenneth has a new bag.
Let's read it again.
Now, Kenneth has a new bag.
Okay. We also have here two nouns for this sentence. We have two nouns. What do you think are the nouns in here?
New and the bag. New bag.
New is new a noun, Orlando? Mm-hmm. You're right. That bag is a name of a, but bag is a noun.
New bag.
But new, mm-hmm. Do you think new is a noun?
Has and the bag.
Kenneth has a new bag. Okay, Kenneth has a new bag. The one noun here is bag. What's the other? What's the other noun in the sentence? Maybe Rachel would like to help. Rachel. Thank you, Orlando. Rachel.
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Hey, would you like to help and give us what's the other noun here in the sentence aside from bag?
Uh, is thing.
Yes, bag is a thing. What's the other noun in the sentence?
What, Miss?
What's the other noun in the sentence? Because there are two nouns in this sentence. The first one is bag. The other the other noun here is Kenneth because Kenneth is a name of a person. Okay? Kenneth
Person.
is a name of a person. Next, we have the noun bag. So two nouns, Kenneth and bag.
Excuse me, Miss.
I will be
Sorry to interrupt you, but can I go to the toilet?
yes, Jocelyn, you can.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. I will be sharing another one. Let's use another activity first. Okay. Um, Catherine, do you have my screen now? My
Yes,
screen now?
teacher.
Okay. Okay. Catherine, I would like you to read the first line of words.
Up, bed, hit, not, neck.
Okay. So it says here that we are going to circle each noun. Could you give me what are the nouns in that given line?
Bed and neck.
Yes, the first one is but, the second one is Nick. Very good. Thank you, Catherine.
You're welcome, teacher.
Okay, can I go again to Rachel?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, the next one is for you, Rachel.
Two, fat, ball, that, three.
Three. Oh, Rachel, hello.
Hello, Miss.
Hello. Sorry, Rachel.
Yes.
Yes. Can you read it again, Rachel?
Yes, Miss. Two, fat, ball, that, three.
Yes. Can you give us what are the nouns in here? What do you think are the different nouns in this line?
Uh,
What's the first
that,
one? Okay, dad. Good. It's a noun. What else?
um, three,
Rachel, what else?
um, three.
Okay, yes, tree. Do we only have two in that line?
Uh,
Dad and tree?
ball.
Okay, also with ball. Okay, good. Thank you, Rachel.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, good. Because ball and tree are examples of things, well, dad is a name of a person or people. Okay, good. Thank you, Rachel.
Yes, Miss. You're welcome.
Jocelyn, you're next, Jocelyn.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, the third one, Jocelyn. The next line.
Oh, do I read it?
Yes.
Okay. Map, cap, run, today.
Now, what are the nouns in that line?
Cap,
Yes. Do we have another one?
I don't know what a mat is.
Oh, you don't know what a mat is.
No.
Uh, for household that doesn't have something to lie on, and especially if they don't have a bed, they use a mat.
Oh, I guess that's also a noun.
Yes, it's also a noun. And also there's another type of mat. It's a rug that you put, not a rug, but it's something you put on your doorsteps. When you enter the door, you're going to, what do you call that one? To rub your shoes, to rub your feet on
Oh.
it. Doormat. Yes.
Okay.
Do you also have that one in your house, Jocelyn?
I think I have one.
You have one. Okay. So do you think those are the only nouns in in this line?
I think so.
Okay, so we have mat and cap. Okay, thank you, Jocelyn.
You're welcome, miss.
Okay, let's move now. Oh, how am I going to do that? Okay, let's move now to the next one, to the fourth line. Okay, can I have, before we end tonight, can I have, okay, Katrina,
Yes, miss.
Katrina. Okay, that's one.
You
No,
eat, eat, too well.
yes. You, it, be, to, and well. Okay. What are the nouns in this one? What are the nouns? Do you think we have an
No.
Oh, am I logging again? Hello?
Okay, we can hear you now. Okay, now we can't hear you again.
Yep.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, teacher. Hello, Miss.
Miss.
Hello,
That
Miss. Hello, Miss.
sorry, I was disconnected again. Um, I'm sorry, but it's almost time, right? It's not almost, but it's already time. I'm very sorry for my connection. Hopefully, next meeting, there will be no other interruptions. Okay? I'll see everyone next meeting. Thank you, kids.
Thank you,
Thank
Miss.
you.
Thank you, Miss.
Bye bye.
Teacher. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.